This is a tissue cross-section of the cervix. And essentially the cervix is the terminal end of the uterus that's going to project into the vagina. And here we can see it has a lumen, and off of the lumen we can see all these branched glands. And these glands are going to be secreting various components of mucus that are going to help lubricate the vagina, as well as they regulate the viscosity of the opening into the uterus itself. So during a midpoint of a woman's menstrual cycle, the viscosity of the secretions coming from these glands will be reduced, which is going to help facilitate the entry of sperm and hopefully increase the chances of encountering an egg in the oviduct. And just adjacent to these glands, we'll see dense connective tissue, and it should have a high amount of elastic fibers, which we'd be able to see if we used a special stain. But the high amount of elastic fibers is going to facilitate childbirth in that it's going to help the cervix dilate and facilitate the movement of the baby through the birth canal. And if we look at the lining of the lumen, we should see simple columnar epithelium, which is what we see here. So these are our mucus secreting cells, and we can see it better here. So these are going to secrete our mucus, and then at the terminal end of one of these branched glands, we can see another area where we can see the simple columnar epithelium quite clearly. So in summary, we have the cervix. It consists of a wall with a layer of dense connective tissue, high amounts of elastic fibers. We can see the lumen. This region is called the Endo Cervix, and this is a gland that is branching and consists of simple columnar epithelium, and it's going to secrete mucus that is also going to help facilitate entry of sperm, but as well as help lubricate the vagina.